Hi, I'm Stephanie, and welcome to my kitchen. We are starting off this week with chicken prep. And yes, we are in the kitchen, but this is to prepare you for your week ahead on the road. So what we're going to start with is some chicken in a crock pot. It is winter time. You can grill it if you would prefer, but I'm just going really simple. So something that I do, which might be a helpful tip for you, is I buy chicken in bulk and then I freeze it. I pull it out. You can just throw it into a crock pot on the weekend if that's kind of your time to be at home. And then you're just going to let it cook like all day long. Maybe throw in some spices and you have your first meal right here. And you're going to cook more chicken in this pot that's going to prepare you for your week ahead. So I think it's in week 2 that you have more chicken meals, and I did that on purpose. You're going to cook your chicken. If you want to do like barbecue chicken, maybe have like a barbecue sauce, and I would go for something that has less sugar or at least not high fructose corn syrup in it. And then easy peasy, you're just going to take some broccoli with you, and if you can just heat it up and heat up your chicken in a container, that's meal number 1. Then what you're going to do is have your chicken already cooked. You're going to shred it, and then you're going to do like a chicken tortilla soup. And all you're going to do with that, you can do this on the weekend as well at the same time. You're going to either use an Instapot, which is great, or a crock pot, or even a stock pot. It does not matter. We're just cooking it, slow cooking your chicken tortilla soup. And you're going to shred your chicken. You're going to add some things like some fresh green beans, or they can be frozen, diced tomatoes, and some other ingredients that's all in your plan that I've outlined for your 30-day challenge. And also has some spices. You're just going to throw it in there. And once it has time to simmer, super simple. You're just going to take it out, put it in a thermos, take it with you on the road, and heat it up while you're on the road. That's meal number 2. Meal number 3 for chicken is you're going to also take the chicken that you cooked that one time, so we're not cooking a bunch of times, and you're going to chop it, and you're going to make BBQ Ranch Wraps. So you can use some barbecue sauce, you can get some ranch, you're going to chop up your chicken, and then you're just going to maybe have your ingredients with you. You can use a regular wrap, whatever you prefer. If you're doing keto or paleo, you can do a different kind of wrap, or you can even do like large lettuce leaves and make your own like lettuce wrap. So just to go back through real quick, you're going to cook your chicken one time for the week. Then you're going to use that same chicken for 3 meals throughout the week that you can put with you on the road. You can store and heat back up, or you can have cold like this wrap, and you're set for the week. Go to dryfit.co for more tips and tricks as we take on this 30-day challenge.